Hello.
Hi, everyone. We would love to update you on what's going on with us these days.
That's right. Since we last updated you together, so much has happened. It's been a crazy busy season, but we've
Yes.
seen God do some amazing miracles
Yes.
as well. And as you may recall, if you heard our message from before, we both felt at the same time that the Lord told us to sell our house and begin to travel. And we were about 1,200 miles apart when that happened, didn't even talk to each other about it. And so we knew this was a word of the Lord for
Yes.
us to do that.
Yes, we sure did. So that's exactly what we did. We immediately started getting ready to pack our stuff to go. We put our house on the market, got what we wanted, and boom, like that, we were out. And it was just like boom, boom, boom. God just lined up the right person. Everything went so smooth.
That's right. And it was so cool is right after we put the house on the market, we began thinking, okay, we have to purge so much, which we did. We had like 3 or 4 garage sales. We had to go through so much of our stuff. If you can imagine everything that you might have in your house, having to go down and pare it down. And as we were doing that, the Lord did something that we weren't quite expecting, and we're so thankful for. We have some friends that have about 5 acres in Bradenton, and they have this house, this guest house on their property that's been vacant for some time. And they've had this sense that they wanted to use this for missions, but also to use it for their family when they came in. And so they called us and just said, hey, we feel like we would love for you guys to come and stay at this house. Let this be your mission house. And then when our family comes in, you guys can stay in your RV. And that worked out perfectly for them. And they loved that. And then, of course, we love it too.
So that's going to be our home base whenever we're in Sarasota. So we're so excited about that. As you can see, we are not in Sarasota. We're in a little bit chilly place. We're in Georgia. And we came on a prayer retreat. And it's been so good. It's been really, really good. It's so beautiful here. And it's just another reflection of God's awesome creation and beauty and his love for us.
That's right. And, hearing the word of the Lord and acting on it can sometimes be a challenge, right? There's so much about faith and trust that comes in that. And that's what the Lord's been teaching us so much in this season, is how to really, truly trust him and rely upon him, even if it doesn't make sense at times. And we'll be telling you more about that in the videos that come. We're excited to get on the road soon, but also minister in our home base, Sarasota, Braden area as well, and just be full-time tasked for reaching people for the Lord, helping people, and doing what the Lord asks us to do. And we're excited about this new season coming up in our life.
Okay, so our next step is, and if you would pray with us on this, we are looking for a passenger bus or an RV at this point now. Here we go. And so that's the next step that we are going to be taking, and we're going to keep you updated on that.
Yes, thank you so much for praying about this. We look forward to getting on that vehicle and going across the United States, but also on mission trips wherever the Lord leads us. So thanks again for your prayers and taking the time for listening to us today. That means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
God bless you. Love ya.
Bye-bye.